So the home science exam is just round the corner, and this year CBSE has given an absolutely new paper pattern which consists of MCQs. Especially section B of MCQs is very confusing for the students, and today we'll be practicing reasoning and assertion based questions of the lesson Elementary Childcare and Education. So welcome everybody to this channel, where in this session we'll be discussing the reasoning and assertion based questions of the chapter Elementary Childcare and Education. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you come to know of all the content and the videos uploaded on home science. So let's begin. The first question, which is on the pattern of section B of home sciences: following are the milestones of development of the human beings and the period of that milestone. That is, you have to identify the time period and the period which is given, and one of the options is incorrect. You have to identify it. So the first is infancy, before birth and 1 year. Is this infancy? Toddler, between 2 and 3 years. Early childhood, birth till 8 years of age. And preschool, between 8 to 15 years. I think this is not correct. 8 to 15 years. 15 years, it is the beginning of adolescence. That could not be preschool. So you can very easily identify that this is the wrong option. And toddler, it is known as toddler because the child hops when he starts walking, which is between 2 and 3 years. So the right option is option D. Let's move over to the second question. The learning and other experiences provided by a good preschool have been found to be extremely beneficial for young children at this age. Preschool education is a program which, there are 4 options: changes the environment at home, helps the child to learn the lessons faster, is child-centric and informal, provides the child with a good learning environment. So, what are the characteristics which should be there in a preschool education? Changes the environment at home. Is it necessary? Helps the child to learn the lesson fast. Is it necessary? Is child-centered and informal. I think this is correct. And provides the child with good learning environment. This is a must. It is not necessary that it helps the child to learn the lessons fast. The lessons of life, yes, but not otherwise. So the right option is C, that is option 3 and option 4. This is the best method of attempting such questions. Look out for the right options and then check them. It is thus very important to understand that the best learning environment in early childhood is one that has a variety of people and play materials. I feel this is correct. A provision of delicious food, is it a must? A smart class and a smart board? No, many of the schools are running without a smart class and a smart board, yet they are very nice for early childhood. Presence of a caring adult, yes, this is important. So I think the right answer would be 1 and 4. That is the option A. Okay, next move over to the fourth question. As per NCF, that is National, right, you give me the full form of NCF. What is it? 2005 position paper on early childhood education, published by NCRT. The basic objective of ECCE is to provide the financial support to the parents. No, I don't think. Holistic development of the child to enable him or her to realize the potential. Yes, I think this is correct. Providing support services for women and children. I don't think this is correct. Let's see for the next option, then we'll decide. Prepare the child for various examinations. No, it's not meant for any examination. Rather, I think it's women and child, which is a better answer. So what would be the right option? It would be option B, that is question number. Option B is, that is second and the third option. So we have completed fourth question. Question number 5. Now we begin with the assertion based questions. Here you are given 2 statements labeled as assertion and the reason. Assertion is A and the reason is R. The assertion given is, what you have to do is, assertion is a basic statement and the reason, if you find that the reason supports the assertion, it is actual reason, it is supported, you can fill in the preposition because, then you can say that the option is correct. So here you are generally given 4 options. A and B apply when the assertion and reason are both correct. So first read both the sentences. If you see both the sentences are correct, iska matlab the option has to be between A and B. If you find one of the sentences wrong, then you can eliminate A or B. It would not be A or B, it would be C or D. So this is the best option. So this is actually the best option to attempt such questions. Okay. So let's see the assertion. Early childhood is a phase of life from birth till 8 years of age. Yes, this is correct. The reason early childhood is commonly divided into two, from birth to 3 years and 3 to 8 years. This is also correct. Based on the developmental changes that characterized young children in two stages. I generally discuss both the sentences so that finding the answer and the reasoning which goes on in your mind, you start thinking that way and attempt the questions correctly. So what do you say? I think that both the sentences are correct, and if both the sentences are correct, the answer has to be between A and B. So both the sentences are correct, but if you try to fit in, because early childhood is between birth till 8 years of age, and the reason is it is divided into two, this does not feel correct. So A and R both are correct, but R is not the correct explanation. That is, B is the right answer. Have you understood how to answer the assertion based questions? Now let's move over to question number 6. Assertion is, creche is the name given to an institutional setting that is particularly designed for the care of infants and young children in the absence of home care. This is correct. Reason, daycare is the care of children in any preschool years and may include infants and preschoolers who are cared for in the absence of a primary caretaker at home. Both are correct, I think, but they are both independent sentences. One defines creche and another defines daycare. They are not related to each other as reason assertion. So here also the correct option is B, that is A and R both are true, but R is not the correct explanation for the assertion. Move over to the 7th question. Assertion is, Monal begins to recognize other family members and people who she meets regularly. She is able to distinguish between people who she recognizes and those who look unfamiliar. It seems to be correct. Monal is around 8 to 12 months, as this recognition is manifested in the behavior where a baby of this age can show fear of unknown people. What do you think? Are these two correct or no? Yes, both are correct, and the reason that she can identify the other family members is she is between 8 to 12 months, and this is the age when the children can identify the fear of unknown and the known people. Question number 8. Satisfying a child's curiosity by providing an optimal learning environment without overburdening the child to do more than what he or she is capable of is an essential consideration at this age. What do you think? Satisfying a child's curiosity is important or no? Reason is that if we force a child to sit in one place and learn like a formal school meant for older children, the curiosity will increase and a child will feel patient and secure. I do think that this is correct. कैसे होगा ये? If a child is made to sit in one place, the curiosity will increase? No, I think increase is incorrect. So if the reason is not correct, then it means A is right and R is wrong. So the correct answer here, it seems to be, is C. A is true and R is false. Now we move over to question number 9. That's faster and just learn how to think. Assertion here is, some senior schools for adolescents are often called Montessori schools. The reason is the schools based on the principle of early childhood education as outlined by a well-known educationist Maria Montessori are named after her as Montessori schools. Yes, this is right, and A is also right. What do you say? तो क्या इसका आंसर A और B में से होगा? Just read it again. A is some senior schools. Here we are talking of senior schools. Senior schools are not known as Montessori schools. It means A is not right. So what will be the correct answer? A is false, but R is true. That is why I say read such questions very carefully. Just one word here or there, and the answer changes. If it had been preschools, the answer would have been A. Now, the last question of this section is assertion is the preschool educator must have knowledge specifically about the child's capability more than information about the world. This seems to be correct. The reason is that the task given to a child should be neither too easy nor too difficult, otherwise a child will either lose interest and or motivation to engage in activity. Here I think both are correct, and this fits with because that preschool educator must have more knowledge about the child's capabilities so that the task which he gives to the child are suitable for the age. So I think the option A is correct, that both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation. So we are finished with lesson number 10. In case you want to know some more MCQs on this section which are not application or assertion based, you can watch my other MCQs which are already uploaded on the channel. In case you have any answers, any questions, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll try my best to reply. So best of luck for your exams, and do subscribe to my channel. If you have liked it, do give me a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that everyone benefits from the channel. Best of luck for your exams. Do well. See you in the next video with the next lesson. Till then, bye-bye.